More na, at least I can say, I tried, been there, done that. Naman, there's no point. It's just paper. And if you check and research about why marriage exists, the history of it, I'll screenshot and you can dive deeper into it. So, okay, of course, I did my research, like, why? Unsa man din ngayon, pakasal pa man taon ko. So, na-research ko. So, mga date to. Waiting for Lily to wake up so I can take her to the food park. I believe in mother's love. A mother's love is the highest form of love. Cheating. May it be emotional cheating, micro cheating, digital infidelity, texting, no. All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. Guys, I'm always calm. I've always been calm. And if you ask my friends and my nannies who's been there with me in my past relationships, I am not a shouting type. So, yun na. Diba? Nasa 3-1, sa nag-ingon ako nga, why am I recording daw without his consent? Why did I give him consent to shout at me? Kung di ka ganahan ma-recordan, ayaw pag sagit-sagit. It's my only way to protect myself. Babae di ako. Diba? Kasi hadlo kay dahi. What if na yung tabo? Laki. Kusgan ba yung laki? So, unsa man imuhang about, diba? So, yun na. Kung dili ka ganahan ma-videohan kasi yung kabuang, di ayaw pagbuang-buang. Pagtarong og storya. Mura na simple. And I did not grow up in an environment na my father and my mom fighting, shouting at each other. No. I never heard my father shouting at my mom. So, akong childhood with my parents, like, peaceful and calm. My father was a very calm person. So, when I hear shouting, it's not okay. It's not okay for me. It's not normal for me. It's not normal. But I have friends who grew up in an environment na ang parents pagsigig-away. So, that kind of situation, shouting, fighting, is normal. So, but me, no. I had a peaceful childhood with my parents.